Introduction. In Cloud Computing Explained, Transforming the Business Landscape, we embark on a journey to discover how cloud computing has revolutionized the way businesses operate. This comprehensive guide provides a clear and concise explanation of the transformative power of cloud technology, enabling organizations to embrace its potential and thrive in the digital era. Chapter 1: The Foundation of Cloud Computing. We begin by laying the groundwork, explaining the basic principles and concepts behind cloud computing. Explore the evolution of cloud computing and its key drivers. Chapter 2: Advantages of Cloud Computing. Delve into the numerous benefits that cloud computing offers to businesses. Discuss scalability, flexibility, cost efficiency, and global accessibility as game-changing advantages. Chapter 3: Cloud Service Models. Unveil the different cloud service models: infrastructure as a service, IaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and software as a service, SaaS. Understand how each model caters to specific business needs and empowers organizations to focus on core competencies. Chapter 4: Cloud Deployment Models. Explore various cloud deployment models, including public, private, hybrid, and multi-cloud. Discuss considerations such as security, compliance, and data sovereignty that shape deployment decisions. Chapter 5: Cloud Security and Governance. Address the critical aspect of cloud security and governance. Discuss security measures, data protection, access controls, and compliance frameworks that ensure a secure cloud environment. Chapter 6: Cloud Migration and Adoption Strategies. Outline strategies for migrating existing systems and applications to the cloud. Explore different migration approaches, including lift and shift, replatforming, and re-architecting. Chapter 7: Cloud Cost Optimization and Management. Guide organizations in optimizing cloud costs and managing their cloud resources efficiently. Discuss cost control strategies, monitoring tools, and best practices for maximizing ROI. Chapter 8: Cloud-Native Development and DevOps. Highlight the shift towards cloud-native development and the adoption of DevOps practices. Explore how organizations leverage cloud infrastructure and services to accelerate software delivery and innovation. Chapter 9: Industry Use Cases and Success Stories. Showcase real-world examples of how various industries have leveraged cloud computing to drive innovation and achieve business transformation. Explore use cases in sectors such as finance, healthcare, retail, and manufacturing. Chapter 10: Future Trends and Innovations. Look into the future of cloud computing and emerging trends that will shape the business landscape. Discuss advances in technologies like edge computing, serverless computing, and artificial intelligence. Conclusion. Cloud Computing Explained, Transforming the Business Landscape equips readers with a comprehensive understanding of cloud computing and its impact on businesses. By embracing cloud technology, organizations can enhance their agility, scalability, and competitiveness in today's digital world. Join us on this transformative journey as we explore the vast potential of cloud computing and its role in revolutionizing the business landscape.